Welcome to Handy Hawaii, Oahu's premier repair and remodel contractor. We arrive on time at the scheduled time. We love what we do. Popcorn ceilings? We'll remove them fast. Give us a call at 808-457-7788. At Handy Hawaii, we don't cut corners. We can be there fast and get the job done fast. Are you still stuck with popcorn ceilings? Well, get those out and give your ceiling a beautiful smooth finish fast. Whether it's scraping popcorn ceilings and giving you a nice smooth finish or a small repair to your cabinets, we do it all. Contact Handy Hawaii anytime. We'd love to earn your business. Give us a call at 808-457-7788 or visit our website by clicking on the link. Give us a call at 808-457-7788 or visit our website by clicking on the link.